Hi guys, good morning. Myself Tanisha, TYBAF B Division. Today, me and my teammates are going to present you my presentation on impact of GST on textile industry. So, firstly, coming to textile industry, we'll learn about what is GST. GST means goods and service tax. In simple words, it is a destination-based tax on consumption of goods and services. The idea of firstly adopting the GST was done by our formerly late Prime Minister Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee in early 2000s, and it was amended and came into force at midnight of 1st July 2017 by our current Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So before GST there were several tax. If you want to watch movies, you have to pay entertainment tax. If you want to purchase anything, you have to pay VAT, that is value added tax, and several other taxes like excise duty, import duty, luxury tax, central sales tax and service tax. So the next point, the GST rates are levied on, it will be explained by Ms. Anushka Gandhi.
Good morning everyone. I am going to explain the GST rates levied on manufacturer. In manufacturer GST rate are 5 to 12%. Wholesaler, there will be a GST rate on wholesaler is 12%. Retailer will apparently 12% GST rates, but based on 5% sales up to 1000 rupees per piece. Consumer GST rate hikes from 5% to 12% in earlier in January 1st January 2020. Next will explain Tanish.
So we come to what is textile industry. So I'll tell you what is textile industry. Textile industry is an industry which is primarily concerned with design, production, distribution of yarn, clothes and clothing. In short, it is a clothing market. In this, the raw material can be natural or synthetic in chemical industry. So the impact of GST will Anushka Gandhi, please.
Most probably GST rates on textile industry is 5 to 12%, but in case of man-made or synthetic fiber yarn will be have 18% GST rate. Ready-made garments will have 12% GST rates, and cotton and yarn fabric has 5% GST rate, but silk and jute they don't have any kind of GSTs or any kind of taxes. Thank you. Next will explain Dikshit.
So I am here to explain you positive and negative points of GST in textile industry. Very first point is reduction in manufacturing cost. As we all know, we have to pay various types of taxes before GST, VAT, CAT, central tax, etc. After GST, we have to pay only goods and services, which has help us to reduce manufacturing cost. More export, as we all know. As we all know, reduction in manufacturing cost, we have reduced the manufacturing cost, which will help us to export more goods. Reduction tax burden. Tax burden. Tax burden. We have tax burden for large scale business. We have tax burden. क्या था यार इसका? Okay, I will explain you more competitiveness. As we all know, this has we have cut our manufacturing cost, we have increased our export, which has increased in demand of textile goods in out of India, which leads more competition in domestic within country. Tax burden for small scale businesses. Tax is still a burden on small scale industry, small scale business, but large scale businesses can afford taxes to pay increase in price of garments. Increase in price of garments. Garments can be garments are fixed goods, which can be charged higher taxes due to government, which has increased in price of garments, high operating costs. Operating costs are the costs which are incurred while operating a goods or services, and new software SGST is a new software for everyone in market, hence it has increased the business cost because everybody don't know about this. So pre and post comparison of GST rates. Cotton, synthetic, blended, wool and silk. Before GST we have to pay 5 to 7% taxes on cotton, and after GST we have to pay 5% GST rate. Synthetic we have to pay 11 to 14%, and after GST we have to pay 13 to 14%. Blended 11 to 14%, and after GST 13 to 14%. Wool 8 to 10%, after GST 5%. Silk 8%, 8 to 10%, after GST 5%. I would like to call Ashutosh to explain the effects of GST.
Good morning, one and all. As we see before this slide, there are many changes in GST rates. Because of after the GST came, the GST replaced the many taxes. So when the GST came, it affected all the garments, including men's and women's, which is shirt, trousers, sarees, shoes, and etc. etc. But is mostly it is affected to the small trader, like small medium enterprises, MSME, and etc. So when GST came into market, जब big large level enterprises are in profit, but small medium enterprises are suffering some losses or some cuttage of selling of the goods, because in some product the GST are too high, and in some product GST are too low. So because of that small trader are expecting some losses, and मतलब उनका बिक्री थोड़ा कम हो गया है एंड ऑल. उसके बाद उनका जो है कम हो गया. इसके बाद कंक्लूजन तनिषा है.
So yeah, as we learn about textile industry, we have learned about pre and post comparison between the rates of GST. We have learned about positive and negative impact. We have learned about impacts. What are the impacts of GST on textile sector, right? So yeah, we have come to a conclusion. There may be many few drawbacks that textile industry has higher rate of tax, removal of benefits of value under cotton value chain, but it is safe to say that GST will help the industry by getting long run and getting more registered taxpayer. Because of GST, there are many legal taxpayers in India. So it can also hope that GST will help the textile industry to get more competitive in domestic as well as international markets and create more opportunity for sustainable and long-term growth. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, any questions?